Peluizi Tanya Barnaby Listuguj Lewi. I'm the Executive Director of the Miigweh Mawiomi Secretariat. We work for the communities of Gesgapegiag, Gespeg and Listuguj. Our work focuses on the territory, ensuring that the Mi'kmaq take their rightful place as the keepers of Gesgapegiag. We're gathered here today for a very special event, Peigwaptmeg. Our leadership have had a continued vision over the years, asserting our rights on the territory to show the people that Gesgapegiag is so much bigger than the Indian Act reserve lands. Our territory is vast, it's beautiful, and it's ours. The Peigwaptmeg project is going to put Mi'kmaq place names all over the territory. So when you explore places, you will know that you're still right at home. And when non-Mi'kmaq people explore, they will know that they're on Mi'kmaq territory. Today is a special day for our team. Our staff have worked hard over the last several weeks to put this event together in all three communities. This morning, this event took place in Listuguj, near the Bijigo Holowaj, which is near the Assiniboine River, near Listuguj. And this afternoon in Gespeg at Gaktugawe, Cebu, with other Mi'kmaq citizens, other MMS staff, and the leadership from other communities. This is just the first 3 signs that are going up. There will be many more. Enjoy the territory, respect it, and remember that it belongs to the Mi'kmaq. Today is a statement to our children. Remember these places, learn what they mean, and keep their meaning alive.
This is a very good project, that we started many years ago, researching the place names with different researchers and consulting with the leadership, consulting with the elders in the 3 Mi'kmaq communities. And we got over 800 place names across the Gesgapegiag territory. And today it's the launching of, effectively put the name place in their actual places. And it's very exciting to be here to do that.
Quoi tout le monde, welcome, bienvenue. Je suis obligé de lire sur mon papier parce que j'ai pas un gros mémoire. Nos aînés disent que le territoire a la connaissance de la vie et de la mort. Et c'est le territoire qui nous enseigne. Ils disent que le territoire parle constamment. Il communique constamment. Ne pas connaître sa langue équivaut à disparaître. Bien que nos recherches aient débuté au début des années 2000, en 2007, le docteur Cyr a été mandaté pour analyser tous ces noms de lieux avec l'aide de l'équipe de recherche du Secretariat Mi'kmaq Mawiomi et de nos aînés et présidents Mi'kmaq pour nous dire ce qu'ils pouvaient dire. En recherchant les noms de lieux Mi'kmaq sur le territoire de Gesgapegiag pendant plusieurs années, nous en avons énuméré plus de 800 à ce jour.
Well, then it's a Mi'kmaq word. It's a place name, and it's been used by our community for the longest time. I mean, ever since I can remember, people were making reference to unveiling. And as people lived, our ancestors, they survived along the Grand Gesgapegiag River, and this would have been a place during the springtime when the salmon runs were here, and also the trout and what have you around this area, and also during the summer. And there was plenty of eels. Even my uncles used to spear eels around this corner here in the estuary years ago.
It's important that stuff be written in our language so people know that we are able to read and write in our language. But I think it's of significance because we are in a battle for survival of who we are today. And part of that fight is the retention of our language and reinforcement of our language and being able to bring that back. Unfortunately, the reality is that most of our people that are under 35 years old don't speak the language anymore. You know, so you find your fluent speakers, they'll be 35 years and older. You know, the younger people, a little bit younger, they may understand the language, but they don't speak it. So there's work to be done. We can probably do a lot of work in terms of reinvigorating the language, that's for sure, and that is something that's needed. But having it written in the Mi'kmaq language, I think, sends an important message as well to the reader, to whoever's coming here to visit, you know, so they understand clearly, you know, okay, these are a people. We have a language, you know, we have a territory, we have our spiritual ways and our land, and it's basically a nation.
It's good to be here today. I'm glad that everybody's here. You know, Listuguj, Lewi, Wigi, and this is part of it, right? Wigi, Mi'kma'ki, and this is where we are right now. We're in Mi'kma'ki, we're in Listuguj territory, we're in Mi'kmaq territory, and it's important that we're here today doing this. And I'd like to welcome everybody to this event. I'm super thrilled with the turnout that we have here today. And one of the questions, and I think it's an important one to answer, and Terry Lynn spoke to this as well, why are we here? Why are we not on the 132? Why are we not near the bridge you know, that comes across from Camelton into our territory? It's important that we're here because this is our territory as well. It's not, we don't just stay or reside and occupy the reserve boundary. This is all our land. This was all our land, and we have to use it. We still use it. We still occupy it, and it's important that we state that, and that's why we're here today. And I want to thank so many people for coming out, and I also want to thank the town of Gesgapegiag for your contributions, for being here, for helping us with this event. I want to give you a round of applause as well for your efforts and your contribution. It's very much appreciated, and the collaboration between us and the region is important as we move forward in finding that harmony and balance.